Waspy boy. Oh damn, he went away.
No, he's on top of the door. There. Wasps. They're everywhere. Welcome to Tennessee in the summer.
You're a magician. You're a wizard, Harry.
But yeah, so the coilovers came in. Hopefully the right ones. So we're going to try to throw those on today. Hopefully. Let's get started. Oh my god. It makes it like so infinitely easier.
To just rotate?
Yeah.
Dude, why are you so sweaty? We've been here for 5 minutes.
Shut up, you dick. Alright, so here we are. Back in the wheel well. And yeah, we're gonna see if we can actually do this without, you know, crying, I guess. Yeah, we're just doing
it. Period. I think.
Yeah,
that's what we
like
need.
we're just gonna see if we can actually accomplish this, because we this morning at work we actually measured, like, when I say we measured, I mean like we did the finger test where we like see how many fingers we can stick between the
shoe test.
We did the shoe test, but with our hands. And come to find out, my driver's side is a different ride height than my passenger side, and
by like a finger.
By like an entire finger. And then on top of that, both sides have dropped an additional finger, like, since the first time, since the initial test, which was like months and months and months ago. So these shocks are completely stroked out and completely shot, and everything is just very bad. So hopefully we can actually get this done today.
For the sake of safety now. It's not even...
Yeah, it's not even for
the mods. No, it's for the sake of safety.
It's not even for the mods. It's not even for the build. It's for the sake of safety and sanity. I suppose I could just use, you know, the impact for this, huh?
Yeah, I mean, I brought it. No, I just brought it over so you could look at it. Special guest. Measuring tape.
Special guest, you want to introduce yourself to the vlog real quick?
Hi, I'm Josh.
Well, that was like the worst. Dude, all I saw was like your shirt and your... Oh crap, I died.
I'm Josh. I'm a neighbor. I also have a Subaru. I have a fully built 2010 STI hatch that is in operational right now because turbo.
Why are we why are we measuring again?
Or not?
Oh. Well, I'm glad Josh brought his measuring tape over for nothing.
Well, we are. We're going to measure, but we're going to make sure that this goes in the car first. Oh! Oh God!
It fits!
It fits!
It's like these parts were made for it.
Too soon.
Too soon?
Too soon. So, like, this bolt is just like a little bit too long, and it kind of goes into the coilover. Like, it's barely touching. I just don't like that, you know? Yeah.
Didn't bring the Dremel today.
Didn't bring the Dremel today.
I specifically asked you, what do we need?
Well, I wasn't planning on Dremel this. So. Okay, why isn't this bolt going in? The answer is because grody. Click, click. Click. Click, click.
This is the most precise scientific method of doing this.
Oh, exactly 18 inches, which is lower than, which is already like 2 inches lower than the stock. So we'll drop it down at 18 inches and see what happens.
If it rubs, it rubs.
If it rubs, it rubs. Part out.
I mean, they're not too cheap.
doing this and getting this ready, do you want to show them the trunk and how to expose those bolts?
Junk in the trunk, yep.
Jump in the trunk.
All right, so pry tool. Some of these pull out and then the other ones slide down, so pop the top ones out and then push down and it just comes right out. And then these have your typical
push pins.
Pop them out. Styrofoam comes out, or
and
technically ABS, but whatever it's called.
Styrofoam. High grade styrofoam. And then there you have your two nuts. Two nuts exposed. Same thing with this side, and then if you're like Tom and you have the cobweb mod.
That's only $8 to come up.
Yep. It's included with their access port.
10 extra horsepower.
Somehow Tom got a hold of it before you guys access port. So I mean, shout out to Cobb for this. That is not the best way to do that.
Good enough. Probably grab the jack and have that one ready too.
This one will fall out like that? Oh yeah, I forgot you don't have to start that.
Not all of us have Mustangs.
Dude, I actually forgot. Whatever.
Not all of us have Mustangs.
What would be a safer place? Nah, that's a lie.
All right, so we have all the coilovers installed. It's on the ground. And this wheel is just slammed, and like I need an alignment real bad because that looks gross. And we just have that jack stand acting as a chock block for now because, you know, we're cheap and you can't get a real one. But we're gonna do 26 inches from ground to peak at the fender. We're gonna start in the back. These are at like 27s. So we're gonna drop those an inch, make sure it's good. And then we'll throw the back together, and then we'll do the front. The fronts actually need to go up because they're at like 25 and a little bit. I don't think you guys want to watch time lapses, so what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna turn the camera off, and then we'll check back in as soon as it's done. If anything cool happens, though, we'll let you know. Hey guys, so we got everything installed the way we wanted to. The last clip you saw was actually, you know, a few days ago. Drove the car around, got all the suspension settled in, everything works great, no creaks, no groans, no rubbing issues, surprisingly enough. And yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna gotta run to AutoZone real quick, pick up a couple of small things, and we're gonna come back to the garage and, you know, we're gonna level out the car, you know, double check everything, make sure it's good, and you know, that'll be it. All right, so I just took the time and actually like measured it like a good amount, and the only wheel that's like really like messed up is the driver's side front wheel, and that one is a solid 1/4 of an inch higher than everything else. So we're just gonna drop it that 1/4 of an inch and she'll be done.
Alright guys, that's the front, and this is the back. She's looking good.
It's bright. Let's go back in the garage. Alright, well, I mean, that's it. Coilovers are done, sway bars are done, got the lip kit installed. And that's pretty much it for now. The next video that you guys are gonna see, I think I'm gonna do like a little like vlog style day in the life thing, give that a test, because I'm gonna be dropping the car off tomorrow to have the at the dealership to have the engine replaced under warranty. Thank you. So yeah, we're gonna give that a shot and see how that goes. Subscribe. Give me a like, leave me a comment what you think, and I'll see you next time.